What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now today we are going to do the unboxing and review of this adapter. So this is basically the USB to USB type C adapter right here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna unbox it to show you guys how this basically works. So it's come in this package right here, which is very high quality. So I'm gonna test it now to show you guys. So it can basically work on your TV, tablet, your headphone, and all those devices, as you can see right here. So and also your mobile phone once it has a USB connection. So I'm going to show you guys right now how this basically looks. So as you can see guys, it comes in this package right here. So inside the package guys, we have 4 of them that come inside this package. So as you can see, this is the USB type C right here, and also we have a USB connection right here. So this can basically plug into your computer as an adapter. So if your computer does not have the USB type C, you can basically plug this in and it will actually work just fine. So I'm going to show you guys how to hook it up right now. So right here guys, I have my computer. As you can see, I can take my USB right here and hook it up like that. Just plug and play, very simple. So my computer comes with at least 3 USB slots, so I can attach all these 3 devices right here. And once you put in your connection right here, now you have the slot right here where your computer does not have the USB type C. You can also have it by putting this connection right here, which is pretty great in terms of this adapter right here. So guys, hope you find this video very helpful and this connection work just fine.